Yes, andito po tayo sa Davao International Airport. Wala pang tulog, puyat, at hindi pa nagkumagahan.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Ang puso po namin itinatanggap dito sa PR at 2B2199 Patungo, Maynila. Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines, the heart of the Filipino, welcomes you aboard PR and 2B2199 bound for Manila. Our pilot in command is Captain Joseph Rebillo, and this is your senior cabin crew, Miguel. Our estimated flying time is 50 minutes. We'll be cruising at 27,000 feet. We shall now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus 320 Series 200. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose end of the strap. To loosen, tilt, buckle, and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle, pull free and to release. If you're with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Sleeve vest over your head. Tape around your waist. Push end to buckle, pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes, push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your personal face mask and immediately grab the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth, pull last button for your snug feet and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position, large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in your seat pockets, window shades open, and your tray tables stowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines.
Sa Kidapawan. Osaka. Marami na rin pinagbago yung ano dito. Daan pa lang alam mo na eh. Uy, uy. sir?
Kasi lang ang gulong nito eh. Ay, paano na sa akyatan ito, Long?
Top speed 70.
Wala pa.
Wala ko sir?
Hindi ko pa ito din.
Iri. Saan tayo ngayon sir? Anong daanan to? Papuntang
Puntang lang.
Papuntang lang. 4 lanes na ni. Ha? Napakalawak na yung daanan. Ito yung ano ng kalahati ng sweet pomelo. Ito yung pretties dito. Kalahati. Saan pa kayo? Pretties pa lang yan. Kalahati na. Ha? Yes, andito po tayo sa Matalam Round Ball. Yan, matagal-tagal na rin na hindi ako nakapunta dito ha.
Long, magpaluto ko lang muna, Long. Balikyan ko lang.
Malakas yung tubig ba? Jollibee Davao. Dahil lang tayo sa drive-thru. Pero hindi na order.
Hindi mo natin pwede iwan yung ano sir kay may karga.
Daan lang tayo, daan lang tayo.
Ito yung habol ko lang.
Ay, kao. Uy, ay, sus.
Nakikita natin yung sakyan natin. Ah,
Daan lang kami sa drive-thru. Pero hindi man kami na-order. Ay, mga bago dyan.
bagong techniques.
To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together to tighten pull loose end of the strap. To loosen tilt buckle and pull. To fasten lift up of buckle and pull the end to release. If you are within it, then fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your knee past waist. Your life vests are on under your seats or in the middle of your armrest. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Sleep vest over your head. Take chip around your waist. Push and to buckle. Pull the waist in to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply to increase cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow it from out tubes. Push inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen mask will drop from above you. Remove their face coverings, immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth, pull the elastic band first and fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you would need your assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency light and path markings will lead to these exits during evacuation. For further information, please study safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you. In preparation for takeoff, ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Seat backs in upright position. Large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed in seat pockets. Window shades open and tray tables stowed. Once again, welcome to Philippine Airlines. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be landing in a few minutes. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened. Please avoid standing and using the lavatories at this time. Cabin crew, landing stations.
reminding everyone to please ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened. Please avoid standing and using the lavatories at this time. Thank you for your cooperation.